Assalamu alaikum. Greetings from Talent Upskill, Class 5 English version, Math, Decimal Fractions chapter, Exercise 7a. Exercise 7a. This is the first number, question number 1. Answer the following questions. There are 3 questions here under 1. Bracket 1, bracket 2, bracket 3. Let us do bracket 1 first. Bracket 1. How many 0.1s make 3.5? If I ask you a question, how many ones? How many ones make 5? How we will find that out? We understand 5 ones make 5, but how we find that out? How to find that? We divide 5 by 1. Divide 5 by 1. Or we do this way, divide 5 by 1, and we find that out, the answer. Similarly, here we find out how many 0.1s make 3.5. We divide 3.5 by 0.1 equals to 3.5 over 0.1. This is dividend, we know it, and this is the divisor, and dividend becomes the numerator and the divisor always is the denominator. Equals to, now how we have to just do the simplification. We know it already. You can multiply or divide. We know that if we divide or multiply by same number, the value doesn't change. If we multiply by 10, the denominator by 10 and numerator by 10, the value will not change. And why 10? For decimal 1 and for 1 digit it is 1 0. So there is only 1 digit here after decimal. That is why we will multiply by 10. So 3.5 into 10 and 0.1 into 10. It doesn't change the value. We are multiplying by the same number. Equals to, now this will be 35 over 0.1 into 10 is 1. So equals to 35. So how many 0.1s make 35? 35 0.1s make 35. So answer is 35. Bracket 2. How many 0.01s make 1.04? We'll do in the same method. So we divide 1.04 by 0.01 equals to 1.04 over 0.01. Now after decimal, how many digit? 2 digit. After decimal, 2 digit means we can multiply. Actually we can multiply both denominator and the numerator by any number. But here, so that we can solve this problem, we will multiply by a number that is decimal, for decimal 1, and for each digit 1 0. So 1 0 and then another 0. There are 2 digits after decimal. So 1.04 into 100 0.01 into 100 equals to, so we can remove the decimal now. So what it becomes? 104. And what it becomes? 1. It becomes 1. The decimal is gone. So answer is 104. So how many 0.01s make 1.04? 104 0.01 make 1.04. Number 3. How many 0.001s make 23.456? We divide 23.456 by 0.001 equals to, this becomes the numerator, so 23.456, and this becomes the denominator, 0.001. Now after decimal, how many digits? 1, 2, 3. After decimal, 1, 2, 3 digit. So we will multiply 4, 5, 6 into, after decimal, 3 digit, means we will multiply by 1, 2, 3. So 1000. Similarly, 0.001 into same number we have to multiply with. We have to multiply by 1000 equals to. Now we can remove the decimal from here. 23.456 over, this is 1, equals to 23456. The answer is 23456. 23456. Now this is the way you can solve this problem. Even if they change the number, this number or this number, this method you can apply always. But there is another way. You can just find it easily. I will show you now. Here is how, this is alternative method. Alternative method. Alternative method. Okay, now we will follow the alternative method. First, bracket 1. How many 0.1s make 3.5? There are two numbers, 0.1 and 3.5. Now first thing you have to make sure that after decimal there is one similar number of digits. For example, here is after decimal, how many digits? 1 digit. After decimal, how many digits? 1 digit. Yes. You have to make sure both has same number of digit after decimal. So first thing you have to make sure both numbers have same numbers of digit after decimal. Here after decimal 1 digit, after decimal 1 digit, so it's okay. And next thing you do, multiply both numbers ignoring the decimal. Okay, now let us ignore the decimal and we multiply the both number. 1 into 35 equals to 35. That is the answer. Now bracket 2, 0.01, the numbers are 0.01 and 1.04. 04. So first thing we check how many digit after decimal. 1 2 1 2. Yes, so it's okay. So now multiply both ignoring the decimal. So 1 into 104 equals to 104. So that is the answer. 3, bracket 3, 0.001. The other number 23.456. After decimal how many digit? 3 digit. After decimal 3 digit. So we can multiply both ignoring the decimal. 1 into 2 3 4 5 6 equals to 2 3 4 5 6, and that is the answer. Now in case if you see the digits are not same, for example if you see 0.1 and the other is 35, what you will do? You have to make sure that both has same number of digit after decimal, so you add decimal and a 0, so it becomes same. After decimal is 1 digit, after decimal 1 digit. Okay, thank you everyone. I hope you could follow me. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.